Alright, so, yeah, I'm working on the mini bike again. Figured I'd get this fucking thing going. It's been a while since I rode it. And, it's pretty fucking fast. It goes, 47.3 miles an hour, according to the GPS. So it's a pretty fucking fast mini bike, if you ask me. And there's the motor and the box of parts, the throttle cable, and my little thing that gets paint on my jacket. Fuck. The thing that goes on the end of the cable and holds it into my throttle linkage. But yeah, just gonna paint it up, and I'm thinking I'm gonna go with John Deere green, cause Kawasaki green is like $26 a fucking spray can for touch-up paint, and they can go get fucked. Yeah, I'm not gonna pay that, and anybody who does is out of their fucking mind unless they own a Kawasaki and want to make it like a really original. But damn, I sanded this thing down in the beginning of summer, and like halfway through summer. I know I was in summer school, and I just decided one day I was going to come home and sand this down, and never really did dick with it after that. So it was fun to ride around last winter, so I figured I would disassemble everything and paint it up so it wouldn't rust, because it was starting to rust in certain areas, and I don't want that, because I want to keep it around as long as I can. But I'll keep you guys posted. Alright, I'm done for tonight. Fuck this thing at the moment. I'll probably look back at this video and laugh in a year when it's like destroyed again. So I don't know. I just it's I don't know. I still gotta paint the fucking wheels and all. It's just so disgusting after a while. I'm not even enjoying it. I just want to ride it.
I'm gonna paint that fucking camera. It's cold out, bitch. That don't have a light on, though.
Bullshitting the night away.
Pretty much.
Right?
Video of the truck.
I got the problem solver.
Can't figure out how to work it, can you? Are you sure? Yeah? Here you are. Wanna listen to Justin Bieber? Oh. I wanna put this together. Hey! I didn't tell you to break it. I think you just broke it. Yeah, you did. Well, there goes 60 bucks down the drain. Just do one of these. Get a little duct tape on there. That was my Christmas present. Well, I know that, but you fucked it. German engineering, that's what that is. Dude, that shit was broken. It's 27 degrees out here and you're worrying about that? It's there. It's not... How'd it come off?
I think it like screws down and it...
Well, it used to... Oh, look, it broke off, look. See, look, see the chunk still stuck in there?
Yeah.
Just super glue it on there.
There's silicone on there.
on that, or are we gonna talk about that the whole night?
Shut that off. And then it's all that background. The heater.
I'm not shutting the heater off. You're out of your mind.
Okay, so we're gonna hook up here. And your ampler here. Yeah. They should take better grips. These ones look like. Ours are great tires.
It's only the front tire.
Oh, I know. But like, tell me that's not gonna work good until the bolts come out.
If you tighten them like a white guy, they
If I
won't
do
come
a
out.
different end, I'm dying. Check out that bearing. Yeah. There's like 3 balls in the whole thing. Yeah.
Is that the back tire?
Yeah.
Oh, choo-choo!
Yeah.
Can we get in trouble for saying that?
What?
Choo-choo.
No.
Okay.
I say it all the time.
This is supposed to mount to here. It's not supposed to do that.
This came on my truck when I got it.
I know. Oh, you're not gonna put it back there. That's why your dad kicks you out of the fucking house.
Oh. Ouch. Ouch, Charlie, that hurt. Oh.
That's the wrong way. What are you doing?
There we go. Ow.
Are you mounting the motor on or no?
Yeah, shut that off.
No, I'm recording all this shit.
So,
We're gonna be the new David's Farm, but it's gonna be Dylan and Tony's Farm.
yeah. So,
He's horrible on camera. Watch him. I mean, he's just absolutely horrible. He's got a roach for a truck. He wishes he had mine. Like, you don't even know. Tell you what,
this is a good idea.
you're not gonna. What you should do is put the ladder underneath there.
Yeah.
This way it holds it. And raise the front end a little bit and put the back end on the ladder. He's kind of working like a white guy.
Hey! There we go.
Does that motor still got any life left in it?
Yeah. That motor will never die.
I beg to differ.
Dude, man, we run the shit out of that motor.
I told. Now how you gonna get the bolts in with that fucking thing being underneath?
I don't know, but I'll figure something out. In fact, I don't even have
This was his Christmas present.
Oh, dude. This isn't gonna work.
I have the video camera. I don't do anything but stand in front of this nice warm heater right here and videotape an asshole trying to put together a mini bike.
This is pathetic. In fact, God almighty, snake.
I'm not the one that told you to put diesel in the heater.
No, I just shit my pants.
Are you taking it down?
Yeah.
When that whole thing falls on you, I'm not helping. I'm gonna laugh. Oh no, we're at 6 minutes. We're doing good. like David's fun, man. We're gonna make thousands and then fuck a little kid in the ass. I mean, you never know.
That's fucked up.
I'll tell you what, you bend over and I'll put it in you.
No.
Alright.
Alright, there should be another gun over there for this antler. Yeah!
We're cutting that out. Can you rewind on one of these? Can you go back? Actually. So a retard forgets to put the chain over on the sprocket, and we're running out of diesel or kerosene. We've got shit on the radio. That thing's Jimmy rigged together. I'd say we should call it a night. What do you think?
I don't know.
You mean you don't know? I fucking can't see anything. Need the fumes in here?
Yeah!
Where's your whack job of a mom? She'll make everything better.
Oh, no, she won't.
No shit.
I'm not forgetting this again.
Like the Air Maxes. See, told you the fucking thing was running out. That's it, we're calling it a night, it's a wrap. Do one of those. Nothing runs like a deer, let me tell you. Are you coming in or are you staying?
Hey, turn that light back on.
Are you coming or are you staying in here?
I'm gonna put this fucking wheel on.
Oh, okay. See you later. Oh, this fucking thing. Jesus Christ.
Damn it, Jimmy.
Once in a while, maybe you think you could clean up in here. It's not a bad idea.
You know, I clean up in here.
That is the roach of all quads. 0 to 60, 0 to 15 in a little bit under 3.4 days. You like the battery ratchet strap to the back of it? Right. I don't know. You buy a lot of junk. Alright, it's on. You ready? Because I'm going.
It's not your fucking garage, so what do you care?
Oh, I don't. Here, watch this. Ready? Watch, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you deal with a prick.